Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Smart Agricultural Using Internet of Things with Raspberry Pi 3. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3 and one MCP3208 ADC, successive approximation 12-bit ADC, and we are using three sensors: one LM35 temperature sensor, and LDR sensor, and soil moisture sensor. LM35, if temperature above 50 degree, that cooling fan should be on. If LDR is dark, LED should be on. If if lighting, LED should be off. If soil moisture sensor will no water, pump should be on. If moisture detected, pump should be off. So here we are using two relay coil. So SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC pump. Cooler pump we are using, and 116x2 LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD display. And one GSM SIM 800L we are using. So purpose of the SIM is to send the SMS alert, temperature alert, LDR alert, and soil moisture alert. So here we are using one Android app we are using. So with this Android app to control the pump. So this pump should be controlled by Android app only. So second pump. So first pump should be controlled by soil moisture sensor. Second pump should be controlled by the Android app. So temperature sensor, LDR sensor, and soil moisture sensor. So these three sensors data we are monitoring on the Android app. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3 B+ module and 116x2 LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD with the same temperature data, LDR data, soil moisture data. And here we are using one power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L we are using, and we need to insert the SIM card to get the SMS alert. SIM 800L and cooling fan, soil moisture sensor, temperature sensor, LDR sensor, and two relay coils and two pumps. This pump will be controlled by the Android app, and this pump should be controlled by the soil moisture sensor. And two relay, one relay for the pump, two IoT pump, and another for the soil moisture purpose. So let's start with the power supply. Okay, so now I'm going to start the kit. Okay, so welcome to Smart Agricultural. Temperature, LDR, soil moisture. So if moisture above 50 and above, pump should be on. Soil moisture alert, SMS came. Soil moisture low, pump should be on. Sorry. Okay, soil moisture low, pump on. If moisture detected, okay, if moisture detected, pump should be off. Okay, pump should be off. Android app open. So now this click the pump first. Pump is on. Okay, so here also it will show the pump image. So pump is on, second motor is on. Okay, click the pump. So now the person is going to switch off the pump. Okay, pump is off. LDR sensor, here LDR sensor is a lighting is available. Now I am going to give dark. LED is off. Okay, so we are getting the moisture alert, temperature alert. Now I am going to give temperature sensor. Temperature we can monitoring 48. Temperature 50 and above, temperature 61. Cooling fan should be on, so it received SMS alert. And every time we are getting the email alerts, SMS alert as well as email alert. So now G Venkat, no moisture, pump on, and temperature alert and LDR alert also we are getting. So T for temperature, L for LDR, S for moisture. If there is no moisture content, pump is on. So I remove the moisture from the soil water to outside. So there is no moisture at field, pump should be on. The water on the concept. Okay. So when it goes to 10 and above, it should be on. So every time we will get the SMS alert. There is no moisture at field, water should be on. So GSM SIM 800L, fan, temperature sensor. So no moisture at field, pump should be on. You please press the pump. Okay. Press. Second pump is also on. Now press. Second pump should be off. Okay, second pump should be off. So now I'm going to insert on the soil. Okay, now I inserted. Second pump is also off. If I increase the temperature alert, email alert, soil alert, as well as LDR. Okay, dark to dark, light to light. Okay, okay. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.